The structure of command at the start of the war in the RHQ and at the squadron levels. The broad deployment of 10 Infantry Division was 10 Infantry Division and the second line of defense at Troti Donchak, 28 Infantry Brigade, 191 Infantry Brigade, 52 Infantry Brigade, the concentration area of 72 Armoured Regiment and 68 Infantry Brigade. The deployment of 191 Infantry Brigade on the night of 3rd December 1971 at the commencement of hostilities was deployment of screens, Headquarter 191 Infantry Brigade at Chamb, 5 Sikh at Gora Fagla, 5 Assam at Gogi Barsala, 4-1 GR at Jhanda Manavar, and 10 Garhwal Rifles at Raipur and Dhar crossings. 9 horse less 2 squadrons in area Chaprial, Alpha Squadron less 3 troops at Chak Pandit with a troop each in the battalion locations. C Squadron in the area of Nadala Enclave. The 66th Infantry Brigade was able to secure a 3,000-yard lodgement. 11 cavalry broke out at first light. 111 Infantry Brigade failed to make any headway. In the south, all the attacks failed. Immediately after the attack by Pak on 3 December night, the GOC 10 Infantry Division immediately released 9 horse to 191 Infantry Brigade. 9 horse less 2 squadrons were located at Champ. 9 horse Alpha Squadron with troops at point 303 Barsala and Jhanda. 9 horse Bravo Squadron less 2 troops in area Chak Pandit with troops at Burajal and Manava. 9 horse Charlie Squadron east of Tavi in area Kaur. 72 Armoured Regiment moved forward to its forward assembly area with the RHQ located at Palamala, Alpha Squadron at Palatan, Bravo Squadron to Chaprial and Charlie Squadron at Kalit. Night 4th-5th December, Bravo Squadron 72 Armoured Regiment ordered to cross over to the west of Manavatavi and placed under command 191 Infantry Brigade. The retreating Southern Company of 13 AK Battalion managed to capture the eastern bank of the Mandyala Bridge. Charlie Squadron along with 7th Kumaon, who had by then stabilized, counterattacked from the east and restored the situation, causing very heavy enemy casualties. Due to the northern thrust being blocked by C Squadron 72 Armored Regiment and 7 Kumaon, Pak 23 Infantry Division now decided to focus on the southern thrust. 111 Infantry Brigade and 2 Armored Brigade were employed on the thrust line south of Moil, Gogi Barsala, Chak Pandit on to Manawar Tawi towards Chamb, Dhar and Raipur crossings. The enemy maintained pressure by attacking Goda, Fagla and Point 303. Gogi Barsala came under heavy attack from infantry and armour but was repulsed by No. 32 Bravo Squadron and companies of 5 Assam and 5 Sikh. SDM Fateh Singh was wounded and Last Javadar Mahavir Singh assumed command. (1730) 6 December 1971. Location Chaprial. Due to intense enemy shelling, the regiment lost 2 of its finest officers, Major Amarjit Singh and Captain Emil Safaya, who were overseeing the deployment of the squadron at the time. Considering the importance and dominance of Gura, brigade decided to counterattack with Delta Company 58GR and half squadron armour under 2IC Alpha Squadron with numbers 1 and 2 troops Alpha Squadron from area Jhanda Borejal in the south. The counterattack was ordered at 14:30 hours to be launched at 1800 hours. The attack was launched at 1810 hours. Enemy was still reorganizing. 2 enemy tanks and 2 RCLs were destroyed with heavy infantry casualties. Gura was thus captured by 19:30 hours. With half squadron Alpha going to Gura, Pak 111 Infantry Brigade with support from 28 Cav relaunched attacks on Gogi Barsala and succeeded in the capture of these localities from 5 Assam. Enemy armour found the dummy minefield gap between Jhanda and Burejal and exploited this with speed. 20 Infantry Brigade with a squadron of 26 Cav managed to overcome the defences of 41GR at Manawar and came up to Malke camp, which was not held. Commando 191 Infantry Brigade informed the GOC 10 Infantry Division that 5 Assam and 41GR battalion defended areas had been overrun and withdrawn east of Manawar Tawi. The GOC 10 Div therefore ordered the withdrawal of the entire brigade east of Manawar Tawi by 21:30 hours on 6 December 1971. (111) Infantry Brigade launched a 2 battalion up attack roughly along the Dhar and Raipur crossings, and Pak armour was expected to break out towards Palamala through this bridgehead. By 0300 hours, the enemy had captured 9 Jam and 10 Garhwal forward defended localities. The situation in late afternoon, 10 December, was that the enemy had created a bridgehead 4,000 meters wide, 1,000 meters deep, and some enemy tanks had been inducted, waiting to break out. 2 troops of Alpha Squadron, 1 troop under Lieutenant Bali and 2 troops under Naib Sardar Sukhdev Singh were in a counter-penetration role, later to become the firebase. A decision was taken to launch a counterattack under Major M.S. Patel. It was to consist of a troop of Bravo Squadron under Risaldar Ajit Singh, number 4 Troop Alpha Squadron under Risaldar Monlal, 3 troops ex-Armored Delivery Regiment under 2nd Lieutenant D.K. Sood, and 2 tanks of 9 horse, a total of 12 tanks. HR was 1730 hours. A textbook counterattack with accurate fire support from the firebase, an assault by the armor in difficult terrain, and the assault by 5/8 GR.